Hello, Paul here from AMD Automotive at Carrera, Sydney. I've got this Porsche 996 C4S today. I'm doing the actual complete steering lock because the whole thing was actually not working properly. Like you take the key out, get stuck, and it's very hard to remove the key sometimes, and sometimes you can't turn it off, or sometimes lights are on, things like that. Just very hard to take the key out. That's the problem with this car here. Very hard to take it out. So if you have a problem about that, that means actually the inside here is completely failed. Some people change the ignition, the switch here at the back here, but you only change the switch if your lights are not working. But if your key is not, it's very hard to remove from the ignition lock barrel from here, then you're looking for a brand new one. Alright, you gotta transfer over the actual key reader here from the old one. That's the old one there. And I've got a video already on this one showing how to take it off. There's a little hole inside here that you gotta use that pin there, special tool I made up, to put it straight through. Shown on another video doing on the Boxster. This is the 996, but the same setup. To take this off, and then that's the only two things you gotta take off the old one. Is this one here, and that one there. You gotta take it off the old barrel, steering lock, sorry, and transfer it over to this one here. Pretty fiddly work as well, mucking around and trying to get it out and stuff like that. So you're better off stripping the whole thing off like this. Instrument cluster out, the cowl here. There's a cowl here as well, which is that part there, and the actual AC on the side, the cowl here. Complete cowl off, so you have more room to do the job properly. Otherwise you'll be things be falling up, screws be falling and bolts be falling, and you're trying your best and then you have nothing to hold. You can't really see it properly, so you're better off doing it properly like this. This is automatic, so you've got the lock here as well. Don't forget to put the lock for parking lock. This one here, there goes that one there. Don't forget to put it in, so you gotta actually have the key inside to actually release this one here, in here. So the key must be stripped down to a blade like that, so you can actually later on like put it back into the remote, because you need to turn the ignition on to take this part off, the parking lock off, and then turn it back. So you gotta see inside here. It's a little T there that goes into this one here. See that one there? That's what I'm talking about. Alright, so now I'm going to start assembly and then see what happened. Make sure everything works and see what happened. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.